Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. Today we have a very useful video. If you're using a remote desktop connection and find that pressing Ctrl, Alt, and Delete opens the task manager on your own local computer instead of the remote one, I will show you exactly how to bypass this and open it on the remote PC right now. Let's get started. First, instead of using the standard Windows shortcut, you need to use the specific key combination designed for remote sessions. While your mouse is actively clicked inside the remote desktop window, press the Ctrl, Alt, and End keys on your keyboard all at the exact same time. This translates the command and successfully sends a true Ctrl, Alt, and Delete signal directly to the remote computer. Next, once you press that specific remote combination, the remote computer's secure blue Windows screen will instantly pop up, exactly as if you were sitting in front of it. From this menu, simply click on Task Manager to open the application, allowing you to quickly end any frozen or unresponsive tasks running on that remote machine. Finally, if you want a much faster way to jump straight into the application without seeing the security screen, you can use the Direct Launch shortcut. While working inside the remote desktop, simply press the Ctrl, Shift, and Escape keys all at the exact same time, or right-click directly on the remote computer's Start button and select Task Manager from the menu to open it instantly. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.